Welcome back to the Marty's House YouTube channel. If you've got a horseback riding service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you're definitely in the right spot today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty's House platform to build a simple website for your horseback riding service. If you haven't heard of Marty's House before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my markets, horseback riding service. There it is up there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Whoops. Let's go back and do that again. Horseback riding service. There's other options as well. So let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Awesome. Let's multitask a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city, my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. And look at that, Marty's House literally has generated a simple website for my business with the information I just put in. I just had to put in a few basic details and it's literally generated a whole website for me. Super awesome. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty's House is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional looking. However, sure, you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all those services and you want to make each section a little bit more personalized to your business. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's click on the first section at the top, pop in our email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on our website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is clicked to call, by the way, and our address, our physical location. That is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken to Google Maps. And update social links you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, the next section, if you have a business logo, go ahead and upload it here. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make it bigger and smaller. Excellent. Now with Marty's House, we pre-selected the colors for you as well. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. No color coding needed at all. Awesome. Look at that. Everything's coming together so well. Now for each section you'd like to change, make it more personalized, click on update section directly underneath the section. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device, upload your own images, search through that photo library, hundreds of high quality images to choose from, or connect your Instagram accounts, automatically pull in those photos with a click of a button if you have a profile. And update action, we can change those call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they link to. If you take calendar bookings, click on another website, put the URL in, or a PDF file, maybe with your different rates and services. Now, in the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can reach out to here, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. And if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain, you'd like to purchase one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click that button as well. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building websites for your business. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.